Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Fania Pritakmarani, NPM 234111105, class MNG 23. And here I will explain material about creating and managing organizational culture. Understanding and importance of organizational culture. Organizational culture is a set of values, beliefs, customs, and are written rules and way of working that are understood and followed by a member of an organization. So, culture isn't just wall or art to a nice slogan, but rather the things that they actually done every day. For example, does the organization value cooperation or competition? Solve decisions be made quickly or took a lengthy process? All of these are part of the culture. Organizational culture serves as an organization identity. Just a human have character. Organizations also have character that distinguish an organization for another. For example, owls have character that distinguish an organization for another. For example, the culture at a technology company like Google differs from highly formal culture at a bank. That difference help members understand how they should behave and work. The importance of organizational culture can be seen in its influence on employee behavior. When an organizational culture is strong, employees consistently adhere to the same values and standards, thus enhancing their work. Furthermore, a strong culture boosts morale, loyalty, and productivity. The work environment becomes more positive because everyone shares the same value. Culture also plays a significant role in the assessing change. Organizations with an adaptive culture are more likely to adapt to new technologies, change in the industry environment, and shift in business strategy. In short, a strong culture is the foundation of an organization's long-term success. Next, how to build an organizational culture. To build an effective organizational culture, the first step is to determine core values. These core values guide the behavior of members. Examples include integrity, innovation, excellent service, cooperation, and discipline. Values should be relevant to the organization goals and not too numerous to be easily remembered and practiced. The second step is to establish a clear vision and mission. The vision provides a picture of the organization's future, while the mission outlines the steps to achieve it. If the vision and values are not aligned, the culture will be confused using steps to for members. For example, if the vision is to be an innovative company, but the internal culture does not support creativity, the vision will be difficult to achieve. The next step is leader role model. Leaders are the primary role model that form the foundation of the culture. Whatever leaders do, employees follow. If leaders prioritize discipline, the culture will be strong. However, if leaders are inconsistent, the culture will be weak. Next, organizations need to establish habit, ritual, and symbol. Example of habits include morning briefing, weekly meeting, monthly award, or specific tradition for welcoming new members. These rituals reinforce cultural values because they are repeated and become the organization identity. Symbols such as work, design, uniform, or logo can also influence culture belief, reflecting characteristic value. Finally, consistent culture communication is crucial. Culture must be continuously communicated through training, poster, and standard operating procedure, and boarding activities, and informal communication. Without regular communication, cultural values become more slogan and are not practiced in daily life. The process of building a culture takes time and must be carried out continuously, not just once. Next, managing and maintaining organizational culture. Once a culture is established, the next step is to manage it to ensure it remains relevant and implemented by all members. Cultural management begins with the recruitment process. Organizations must select prospective employees who align with the organization value, a process known as culture fit. If the organization prioritizes on innovation, they seek creative and open-minded individuals. Conversely, if the organizational culture is more formal, takes individuals who are able to follow a structure. Culturally approved right recruitment facilitate the adaptation process. Furthermore, organizations need to provide engine training and development. Training encompasses not only technical skill but also an understanding of value and behavior expected within the organization. For example, training on the work ethic, customer service, leadership, or communication. This development program help members understand the culture more deeply, especially new members. Culture management also requires a clear reward and punishment system, and organizational culture will be strong if the value in upholds are thoroughly implemented in the performance appraisal system. If someone demonstrates behavior consistent with the organization value, they should be rewarded. Conversely, if they violate the value, they should be conscious. This helps ensure that the culture is not just theory but is actually implemented in daily work life. Managing and in addition, organization must conduct regular cultural evaluation. The business environment can change to the new technologies, shift in customer behavior or market condition. Therefore, the culture needs to be reviewed to determine if relevant. This evaluation can be conducted through employee survey, internal discussion, or a cultural audit. If the cultural no longer support the new strategy, a cultural refresh is necessary to and the internal campaign or of revision of value. Finally, the culture must be able to adapt an environmental and technological change. Many organizations fail because their culture is too rigid and does not keep up with the time. Successful organizations are those that maintain a cost value but are willing to update their work method and need. For example, in the digital era, the culture must support the use of technology, virtual collaboration, and flexible work. This adaptability will keep the culture relevant and support long-term performance. Okay, that's all I can say. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.